Welcome. Today we come together to roar like lions.
May 7th, 2021, you and I announced that we will be building the largest electric vehicles factory for medium-duty and heavy-duty vehicles in the United States. And that was 2 years ago. You remember that? That was great. And here we are, just 2 years after, in this wonderful place.
There was so much uncertainty. There were so many projects that were slowing down, taking a breather. But Lion Electric believed in their project. They believed in their mission, and through the work of the people up here and in the community, believed in Illinois, our governor's message, Will County, and the city of Joliet.
Thank you for coming today and celebrating with us. I've been in the transportation industry for over 30 years. There is a better way. There is a new way. There is a healthier way to do these things. And it starts now out of this factory in the state of Illinois.
This grand opening is so very special, and I am just beaming with pride that this important work is being done right here in Joliet. We are on track to make sure that our transportation is cleaner than ever before, and this is just the beginning.
It's great to be here with you, and especially to celebrate not just Lion Electric, but the future of manufacturing in Illinois.
I couldn't be more optimistic about where we're headed, and I couldn't be more grateful to all of you here today and the countless others who are working to build, quite literally, a cleaner and healthier future for our children.
This new facility delivers a tremendous boost for Illinois' clean energy economy and our environmental leadership too. The number of jobs that are being created by Lion Electric has nearly doubled to 1,400 just since the announcement of its investment 2 years ago. And this is now the first new dedicated vehicle assembly plant to be built in the metropolitan Chicago area in over 50 years.
This plant could soon be producing as many as 20,000 vehicles per year. What an amazing number. Because of this clean school bus program, thousands of Illinois-made buses will be taking kids to school across America. And none of these kids will have to breathe diesel fumes on that ride. This is a remarkable achievement.
And it's really, a team thing. It's really, with the suppliers, with the, the contractors as well. The customers also, a lot of them, were involved. But I want to thank our employees. And there's many of us right here, many of the employees, and that's because of you that this is all happening. So we're all very proud of you. Thank you.